guys, I'm just doing a little review on this Seresto dog collar. It's for fleas, ticks, larvae, and lice. A lot of our dogs and neighbors' dogs and things, when you go outside in the grass, they tend to get little mosquitoes and things like that. So this is to prevent them from happening. And it is for 8 months of protection. Let me open this up and see what it's like. It also says that it's non-greasy and odorless, which odorless in my book for any kind of animal protection is a big bonus. So, and it's also not greasy, so that means we will not feel what it's like. Good quality. And I like how easy it is to connect it around our dog's neck. We also have little clips here. Looks like little Velcro clips. Let's see what the owner manual tells us, shall we? Kills and repels against fleas and ticks, and repels and kills ticks for 8 months, like I mentioned before. It just goes into detail what kind of fleas and ticks and Lyme disease, how it protects them. In our area, we live in the south, so we really don't have deer ticks and Lyme disease that I'm aware of. And these little clips that I showed you earlier, these latch on to the dog collar. So one half gets clipped over, and the other half just gets connected to the tape on their collar somehow. But I've heard a lot about this Seresto, so I'm looking forward to trying it out on my poochies. They claim that it's really, really good, that, you know, it does protect up to 8 months. So we shall see, and we will follow up with the progress and let you guys know how it went. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Bye-bye.